morning, everyone. Hello and happy Saturday again.
Whoop, whoop. Love these Saturdays.
I know, it's awesome. And we are experiencing a really nice and warm Saturday. So
it's lovely outside.
I love it. And I hope the same for all of you. Get outside, enjoy the sunshine if you have some near you. So, of course, after you watch our release reveal video, because that's why we are here today, to share with you what is coming next week for our Tuesday release. So it is a fun time of year. We love calendars.
Yes,
around
we do.
Tailored Expressions. We have made so many calendar types and products, and you guys love to gift them. I always talk about calendars as the gift that keeps on giving, because it's like they get to enjoy it throughout the whole year. And every time a new month turns, they get to see the new artwork, or they get to tear off a month and think of you and the person who gave them that.
I remember you gave me a calendar.
I did?
Yes.
And you kept it?
I did.
You probably still have
it.
it?
Beautiful. I was just like, oh, what do I do? And then I got to the end and it's like, oh, you need to order another one. I'm like, there's more?
Yes. And then your recipient can just replace the calendar often. And get the new dates for the new year. So that's why we're here this week. Our release is going to be all about calendars. So we are putting out 2027 calendars.
Woo! Look
I
at
know
us.
some of you might still be sending out your 2026 calendars, just ripping off January and February and get it out there before April starts. But we are wanting you guys to get an early start on being able to produce these calendars and gift them when it's time for the new year. So you'll see calendars brought up as we continue throughout the year with new ideas and fresh ways that you can use these to share joy with others. But we do have some fun new products along with the new dates that are coming out for 2027. So I am going to pop a graphic up on the screen here and let you know what our promo is. You guys, when you purchase any of the items in this release, you're going to receive a free craft along calendar class with Susan.
Oh,
isn't that great?
I love it. Susan always has such great tips and tricks on how to get things to look so simple, easy, but so gorgeous.
Yes.
I sit in awe of these little, her creative mind.
I do love it. And she's incorporating a collection well known and loved from last year, which is our Year in Bloom. So if you collected our flowers from last year's freebies, then you can make this calendar really easily with those flowers and some of our new products. So let's get to talking about what's coming next. All right. So our staple calendar, and the one that we sell the most of every year, are our mini tear-off and our square tear-off calendars. So these come in a pack of 10. So as you're planning your gifts, make sure if you need 10 of them, don't buy 10 packs, buy one pack. Because they do come in a set of 10. They are small calendars that are gummed at the top, so your recipient can tear off each month, and then the artwork that you create around it just stays the same as they tear off each month. These are great for little fridge calendars, little desktop calendars, just so you know the date. No tracking of birthdays is happening on these. You just want to use these as a quick, hey, what date is it this Saturday?
I need that every day because I'm always like,
I know.
What day is it? What's happening?
I need one in all the places, on my desk, on my fridge, in my purse, all the places. So all right, we have our mini and square tear-off calendars. Next up, we have updated our portrait and landscape desk calendars. This one goes in the landscape orientation, and then we have a portrait. They are printed with open space at the top for you to be able to choose how you want to decorate. Or if you like the landscape version, your open space is on the left side. We have lots of fun things that you can put in these openings, but we wanted to continue to add to that collection to give you versatility, especially if you're creating calendars every year. You might want something just a little different. So this set is called Soft Surrounds, and it is a set of 2 stamps. They actually nest together. This inner stamp could be fun for a way to call out a sentiment, but really what we wanted to give you was this large outer border to fit in that open space on both the portrait and the desk calendar. So let me show you some samples here. Here's one with the portrait calendar, and that soft surrounds is stamped at the top. You're gonna see a lot of this year in bloom. We thought it was the perfect way to use those freebies that you received last year and coordinate your calendar with a monthly flower. So we've got our year in bloom vases and places that you can add the flowers into and create some really pretty calendars that way. I've got another one using more of the vases and places and the year in bloom flowers. So this is January, February, and March. And then that soft surrounds is stamped in a really light.
I love this.
Isn't that great how Lori has been doing that lately with the oat milk ink stamped very lightly. And then you have just a nice soft landing spot for your blooms in the vases and places. All right, so that's the portrait and landscape desk calendar. Now this is a calendar that we have not explored for a while. So we are updating our 2027 5x7 calendar. So this one is a little bit larger than the landscape and portrait desk calendar. It has a little more space at the top. We've had this calendar. This is probably, besides our tear-off calendars, our longest running calendar product. So we know lots of you love this size, and we wanted to create some new products to specifically fit in that area for you to decorate calendars with. So we have a couple of new sets. This is called His Word Volume 1 and 2. And these are a collection of 12 Bible verses that you can use to kind of offset whatever imagery you're using. I have some samples to show you that, of course, use that year in bloom flowers, but I think you guys are going to love these for so many more things besides calendars. But we did want to give you one for every month of the year. So if you're creating 12 different months, you have 12 different verses to show on that. So there's His Word, Volume 1 and 2. And then we have this set. This one is similar to the soft surrounds, but it is sized to fit on the 5x7 calendar. This is called You've Been Framed, and you get those 2 large frame stamps that fit in the white space of the 5x7 calendar. And then because we had room along the inside, you also get 2 smaller frames that you can use to put smaller images or sentiments in on your cards. Now they do just pop out. We call these pull apart stamps because they pull apart from each other. It's not one stamp that you have to ink separately. You get 4 separate stamps in this set. So perfect. Let me show you then one last product that we designed to go with the 5x7 calendar. This is called A Year of Doodles, and these are some of the most adorable little doodles.
In my head, I always sing doodly doodly doo.
So here we are with doodles for each month out of the year. This is your January card with the clinking champagne glasses and fireworks. We have February's card with hearts. We've got March to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Then April showers bring May flowers. In June, we're enjoying our ice cream and cold treats. In July, we're celebrating freedom and fireworks. August brings ladybugs and bees. September, we're getting into the fall leaves. And then October, these adorable little ghosts and Halloween. And then November is Thanksgiving. And December, we have our holiday Christmas-themed doodle card. So as I said, these are all pre-printed. They are toner printed, so you can foil them if you want to. You can color them, you can blend over them, and the great part is they fit perfectly inside of the frames for the You've Been Framed set. So let me start by showing you. This is actually what we're going to be creating on the live on Tuesday. This is the 5x7 calendar, and I stamped the You've Been Framed onto the 5x7 calendar and then colored my doodle card and placed it perfectly inside.
These are fabulous, Taylor.
Thank you.
I know you had so much fun because I can see the whole year is done.
I did the whole year, which usually means I had a lot of fun.
Yes.
It was a lot of coloring, but I find coloring to be relaxing.
Yes.
And so I just tackled a few each day and had fun kind of picking out colors for these, which we will share the entire year of colors that I used to color my calendar. And then I just popped on some sentiments from our calendar foilet mini strips. And
I love this. Smiling is contagious.
Smiling is contagious. I don't know why that one was like rainbows and makes me think of smiling. So that's an option with the You've Been Framed and your doodle cards. In addition to calendars, of course, you could create cards with the little pre-printed doodles as well.
Cute.
Susan made this one, colored up that card, and created this fun design. So there's an option for the Year of Doodles pre-printed cards. Now let's look at some with the Bible verses. So we have the Year in Bloom flowers again featured next to some of those verses from the His Word Volume 1 and 2. So a great way to create, again, a different piece of artwork for every month. You could even theme your flowers based on the birth month flowers for each month of the year. Jill did this one, right?
Yes.
So pretty. I love it. All right. And then this one, is this one from Lori?
Mm-hmm.
Lori used die cuts, which I think is so fun for October, November, and December to kind of fill in that opposite side. So all of these sentiments in the His Word set, all the Bible verses are designed to fit onto one side. You can choose which side and then whatever you want to decorate the opposite area with. So
I love
really
her choices
pretty.
There too.
Me too. It'd be fun to go through the whole die collection and see what works. So there you have the 5x7 collection and the things that we designed to go with that 5x7 printed calendar. Okay, next up we are bringing in the 2027 Arched Desk Calendar. We have these in sugar cube and in toffee, along with lots of products you guys know and love, that Arch Nouveau collection that fits up in that open space of the Arch calendar.
This is my favorite calendar.
You like the arched one?
I just love, the arch.
It is really unique.
So classic.
And we do laser cut these here in our production area. So it is fun to have a unique shaped design for your calendar. All right, let's look at what's new then that we're bringing in for this particular calendar. Now, as I mentioned, we have a lot of products that are designed to fit up there. They cut out with our Arch Nouveau dies, and then we have several layering stencils. We have Winter Wonder, Harvest Hues, Whimsical Wildflowers. Yes. And then we have even another one that I can't remember, Landscape something.
Yeah,
Dreamscapes. Yes. See, Whitney's got all the names. They're just stored up there.
Somehow they're popping out.
So all of those layering stencils are designed to give you artwork to put in that area at the top of the calendar. Now, what we were missing was specific holiday options for that Arch Nouveau space. And so we have this set that incorporates 4 different holiday, just little holiday scenes into this one stencil that's called Seasonal Scenes. You have one for Christmas, one for Easter, one for Halloween, and one for the 4th of July. Now you can of course use these on cards as well, but I'm going to show them to you on calendars. If you also enjoy foiling, we have our foilet for seasonal scenes that would coordinate with that layering stencil to give you that extra bit of shine. So let's take a look at first, I think this is Jill's calendar that she created using just the stencil. You can see those Arch Nouveau dies that she used and the scalloped arch to cut those out and place them onto the calendar. Of course, July for our 4th of July. June, she used the Whimsical Wildflowers, and then May, she used the Dreamscapes.
Ooh.
So you get to see a little bit of all of the different artwork we have to make a whole 12 months worth of these beautiful calendars. And then we've got Lori Craig. She did October, November, and December. So I believe this October is from Harvest Hues. That's previously released. And then for November and December, you can see she used the foilet for seasonal scenes. And we've got that pumpkin for the month of November, and then the cute little ornaments hanging from the bow for December. So,
adorable.
Isn't that great? I love the option just to add in those holiday themed ones for the specific months where they really make sense. So that'll be a good one to grab. And again, you can make cards out of these too. We have so many examples of cards using these stencils that fit in that arch shape. All right, last but not least, we have something new coming your way.
Thanks. I'm so excited.
I know. We are loving our new medium-sized binder, and so we have had fun coming up with new things to put in here, and that includes our new celebration calendar. So this is replacing our perpetual calendar that we've had previously at TE. And if you're not familiar with a perpetual calendar or a celebration calendar, it is designed for you to help track your special occasions, birthdays and anniversaries. So if you have a birthday of someone you love on January 17th, you just write their name on that line. And then this becomes your reminder as you flip through your calendar. Then you get to know how many birthday cards do I need this month, how many anniversary cards do I need, etc. And the great thing about these is they're a great gift, and you only have to make it once.
True.
Because once it's done, you just write your dates in and you keep that handy near your desk, and then you've got a great way to remind yourself what you want to be creating for the month.
I was thinking we should make this for our mother. For Mother's
Yes.
Day. Hopefully she's not watching this video, but our mother, we love her, but she's not very good at keeping track of the dates. She would say it. I say it in love, but I think she would actually really enjoy this.
She would. It would help her remember. Is it the 28th or
Yes.
the 27th or the
Yes.
She's usually right within that range. It's just
Exactly.
which exact date.
And I think a lot of us are like that too. It's like, oh, I know something's coming up. And so I just love the idea of keeping it all in one spot. And yes, you get to decorate it. So show us how you've done that here.
So this is our medium binder then, and these are our medium binder sleeves. And you can see that the celebration calendar fits perfectly into there. For some of these, I used our calendar stencil strips. So that's a product we've had for a while, and I just repurposed it. There's a different stencil strip for every month of the year. So you can see the January one is snowflakes. I just masked off that January and then stenciled the snowflakes over the top. Same, this one came from that stencil strips calendar. For February, you've got the hearts. Now this one, I wanted to show how you could even use a stamp and stencil combo. We've had this shamrock one in our collection for years, and I just can't get rid of it. It's just too perfect. So just by masking off that edge, you can even stamp and then stencil over the top whatever pattern you would like. Now these are printed in toner, so you can foil them. If I were to make a recommendation, I would recommend only foiling the month. These lines and the numbers get to be kind of thin, and they don't show up in foil that well, in my opinion. So it might just be best to keep those in the black. And if you want to foil, you could foil that month name. So then I also have April here as well. April showers, that's part of that stencil strip set. I think that's as far as I got, but if you tune in on Tuesday, I'm planning to finish off the rest of this calendar so I can share other ideas for decorating that.
That's super fun.
Is that fun?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's come back to everybody and... All right, thank you guys for joining us for our release reveal video. We are really excited about this calendar launch, and we hope you'll join us. On Tuesday, I will be live at 10 a.m. Central creating the doodled calendar cards that I shared with you. And of course, the release goes live at 9 a.m. Central, so you can find all of the new products at that time. Hope you have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. Guys.